welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. I am doing I'm so freaking excited. Thank you, Claude. She got it for me as a late present. It is the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. Now, I've been wanting to try this for ages. I have another shade in like a reddy color, but this is a rose gold shade and I am so excited. It's called Rose Gold Retro. So I'm like, yes, retro. I got my like suede jacket on that my friend Haley got me. Thank you. Shout out to everyone buying me gifts. Thank you. Alrighty, so this is it here. And it comes with, where is it? It comes with 0.153 fluid ounces. It's 4.5 mils, and this is it here. It's just a cute little component with a plastic lid and then a hardened plastic component. So let's swatch here. This is the applicator here. So let's swatch along here. It is so pretty. What these will be really good for is cut creases, which I'm so excited. Look at that glow. You could use them for eyeshadow cut creases or liquid well, it's obviously liquid eyeshadow, liquid highlighter. Like, it's so pretty. It'd be so good for cut creases. So I think what I'm going to do is, I'm actually so excited. I'm going to try and attempt a cut crease. I'm going to try and do it and we'll see how it turns out. So, without further ado, let's zoom you on in. I know I said that wrong. I'm just going to start by putting a base down. Now, I've got my Smashbox palette, and I'm just going to do a neutral eye shade that would go with rose gold, just as like a blendy shade. So you could use any kind of transition color, and then I'm going to cover my whole lid with this. So I'm just using like a nice pretty transition shade. Okay, now I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna put it on. I'm ready. I'm doing it. Let's do it. Okay, I'm just gonna wipe a little bit off so I'm not fully putting it on. Okay. Oh my god. Like, you meant to pat it on, or is this just how it goes on? Look, it's like a perfect cut crease line. Look, oh my god, that's so freaking pretty. All you could do is like the inner corner of your eyes. Oh my god, like how long does it take to dry down? I'm so, yes, I've been wanting this so freaking long. I want all of them. Stila is like real hard to get in New Zealand. They've just brought it into Mecca, but they were sold out for so long. So I know I'm a bit late to the trend, but I'm just like, yes, are you kidding? Like, that is stunning. Oh my god, I love that so much. That's so freaking pretty. Like, imagine just doing that and all I did was a transition color and my eyeshadow is done. And then if you want to just add like a color underneath just so it doesn't look so crazy, like, you can do it. I'm so like, oh my god, I'm just going to add like a little color underneath. And okay, so see, I've put it on like that. Now I'm going to put on mascara and eyeliner. Be right back. And just like that, it is all done. Like, I cannot get over how easy this literally was to put on. Only two other eyeshadow shades, like a transition shade in this, and look how glitz and glam that is. It is so pretty. I cannot literally get over how pretty and shiny that is. I need all of them. Oh my god, these are so pretty. Yes, love. And just like that, it is all done. Like, I cannot get over how easy this literally was to put on. Only two other eyeshadow shades, like a transition shade in this, and look how glitz and glam that is. It is so pretty. I cannot literally get over how pretty and shiny that is. I need all of them. Oh my god, these are so pretty. Yes, love. Honestly, I cannot get over how amazing and easy that was. Like, imagine if you're just in a rush, like you literally don't have any other, like, where are my words? You don't literally, imagine if you didn't have any other, like, eyeshadow and you're just like, quick, I'll just put on my rose gold freaking color and you've got your eyeshadow. Like, that's so amazing. I can't get over how quick and versatile and easy it is, and it's not even that expensive. Like, I think if you're really lazy, this would be awesome, but then if you're a pro makeup artist, this will be awesome. Honestly, I'm just really ecstatic. Like, this is phenomenal. Like, I don't know what I'm doing with my hand, but like, how pretty! Have you guys tried any of the Stila glitter eyeshadows? If you have, comment them down below and let me know which ones you've tried. I'm honestly so freaking blown away. I'm just like, I need to go buy more of them right this minute. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe with the subscribe boxes, and until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!